Okay, Bella, go see Teacher Ryan.
Hello, what's your name? Bella. Nice to meet you, Bella. And what's your costume? Princess?
Princess.
Princess, wow. Cool, what's your number? You know your number?
26.
Good job. Did you get a lot of candy? Oh, thank you. Oh, is that for me? Oh, okay. Okay, ready? Turn around and say, get a picture. Okay, ready? 1. Okay, ready? 2. Something different. Do something new like that. 2 and 3. Candy. Good.
Good.
Okay, good job.